Holy smokes, my mask is getting soaked. Oh yeah. Is that good or bad?
You need a new one?
No. No, I want to get rid of it. Oh, I should eat some popcorn. Right? Some cheesies. You're just a smart little Brit. Oh, geez. Okay. We're live. We are live. Welcome back, everyone. You can hear me. Start of the third period. 3-0 Blizzard.
The shots 17-4 for the Blizzard in the second period.
So that's just the second period
Just
shots,
the
right?
Second period, yeah.
Yeah. So we were
on 26-13 now.
It's an incredibly offensive period for the Blizzard, and it shows 2 goals, 17 shots versus 4 shots. Just a real power pack. And for those of you who are just turning in, we're about to start the third period. The Blizzard are up 3-0. And in the second period there was an ejection of one of the Jets players, Weeb, for a cross-check. So we'll look to see if he managed to sneak back onto the bench after the second period, but I doubt it. And the Jets going to be feeling that. They're going to be hoping to get on the board here quickly. And that was a good try there, shot to the side. Almost a deflection in. We are even strength, no penalties. 3-0 Blizzard, even strength, 19:35 to go. I didn't get a chance to talk to any of the boys there in the intermission, but I saw them coming onto the ice. The energy seemed high. The boys are pretty pumped. I think they're having a great time, having a lot of fun playing hockey, and that's the most important thing. Messelbacher picks up this puck. He's going to play this up to Wolf, I believe. Wolf looking for some room. Not able. Oh, it's just in there. Almost came up with it. Stott was there looking for the pass. Stott missed his check. Got a 2-on-2 here. Stick check from Kasdorf. Played to the corner. And he's got his player nicely taken care of there. Puck taken to McKenzie. McKenzie looking for the pass there. Oh, tried to fix this up to Stott. Quick little play there from the Jets. Blocker saved by King. It was a great save. Puck played up to Stott. And out, McKenzie's going to get a little chip here. Can he get another hang? McKenzie with some room. He's got some guys on him. McKenzie got pushed into the boards. Chloe's about to jump over. Somebody grab Chloe. Okay.
If you happen to hear a British accent, you haven't tuned into the wrong channel. It's just the Mackenzies.
Right. Oh yeah, no, that's not British. Oh yeah. Crikey! That's not British either, is it? That's Australian. Oh, I see. Okay. Is this even the live one? Are we live here? Where's the live one? Oh, there it is. Great pressure from the Blizzard player. That's Heidi there. Pushing him with McKenzie. Bradley watching him as well. Fraze at the line, looking for the puck with Thiessen. Fraze has got this puck. He's going to chip it in deep. No, not able to get this one deep. Puck played across. Back in. Thiessen's going to go for this puck. He's being watched by Hamilton. Hamilton, body first. Thiessen plays it back, absorbs the hit. Up to Bradley. Bradley's looking to get this puck out. Kept in. Poke checked, stick checked, and across the line. 3-0 Blizzard. Bradley picks off the pass. Well played. He's a solid player, that Bradley. I like it. I like his style. I'd like to see him throw his shoulders a little more often and delete a few more kids, as they say.
Yeah.
That's what I hear my kids say anyway. Delete. Find that delete button. Face off in the Jets zone. Laramie. Nope. Chabot, sorry. Chabot Laramie. Get them different colored helmets or something. Or Laramie trying to keep this one there. Chabot and Laramie Great pairing, those two battling on the puck. Laramie almost comes up with it. Still there. Chabot and Laramie still going. Chabot lays a bit of a check. Zuev back at the line. Laramie chips it to the boards, just slightly in. And the Jets are going to put this deep, and that's icing. "17 minutes left in the third period. 3-0 Blizzard. We've got a bit of a mix-up on the change here from the Jets. They're trying to get their lines out, get them straightened up. Here we go. Face-off in the Jet zone. Zuev, Kasdorf at the blue line. One back to Zuev. Zuev plays it deep to Chabot. Chabot, Laramie, and Wolf are still on. Puck in front. Oh, just missed. Kasdorf's coming, quick snap. Off the box. Oh, we've got a 2-on-1 here. Zuev. Kasdorf's got some great speed. Great pick-off by Zuev. Zuev stops the pass, and the puck is quickly played up by Laramie. Great defensive play. Not looking pretty good there. Jace off the boards. Wolf couldn't quite get it out of the zone. Puck played across. Big block save, pad save there from King. Rebounded. Hamilton not able to get it. Puck played to the center. Right under the Jet stick. Crazy. Kasdorf up to the side. Wolf not able to get a stick on it. And we're back into the zone again. Chabot behind his own net. Oh, Jets player tripped himself up a little bit there.
Looked a lot like me playing Friday night.
Was that after a couple wobbly pops or?
Got a chiropractor appointment booked for 9 a.m. to deal with Friday night's game.
Oh my. Okay, Laramie pass from Chabot. He's going to chip this in and get a change. There's Misselbacher. In with Heidi. Puck to Misselbacher. Couldn't hang on to it. Back to the zone there. Back of the net. Crunches his man. Heidi's got the puck looking for Stott. Stott in front. Quick shot. Goal! How do they say that in goal? Yes. Great play from Heidi to Stott. And another nice goal. 15-33. And the Blizzard are taking a commanding 4-0 lead early in this third period. I think you can slowly see the souls of these Jets players being crushed further and further into the ground as their hopes of salvaging their season and staying in the top four are dashed yet again. But could be too soon to make that call. Thought I heard someone singing Shananana, but it might have been me. Zielinski plays this around to Heidi. Heidi misses it on the boards there. Shot back in on King, easily put off to the side. Zielinski taking his time. Played up to Heidi. Heidi missed the puck. Another shot from the point. Up high. Wide of the net. Stott bounced up. Still kept in the line. The Blizzard now struggling to get it out. Fraze looking back. He's plays it up the boards to Stott. Stott not able to do anything. Nice snapshot from the Jets player. But no one in front to get in front of that. And King makes an easy blocker save. Bev Clausen, welcome to the game. You've tuned in time to see the Blizzard decimate the Jets 4-0 in the third period. You just missed a fantastic goal from Stott. Later you can rewind and watch it. It's totally worth seeing. You're going to really enjoy it, probably as much as I did seeing it live. Look at this move, no call. Wolf is in, hauled down in front. McKenzie to the front to get the rebound, and he makes no mistake. 5-0. 5-0 Blizzard. Great effort from McKenzie to pick up that puck after Wolf was hauled down. Really should have been a penalty there. I'm surprised at the lack of the call. And the Blizzard pulling away. Wolf blitzing off of the face-off. Quick snapshot. Drop to the side of the goaltender, and the Blizzard are three-man deep. Off the skates of Bradley. Behind the net. Wolf still got it. McKenzie's in the slot looking for the puck. Still there. Wolf still battling. Kicks it around. McKenzie's got the puck. Backhander. Side of the net. Zuev's coming in. Slapper. Great shot. Nice. Great. Excellent save from the Jets player. Zuev on his board. It's McKenzie watching him, and there's the back, and we got a 2-on-1. Thiessen's back here. Poke check at the blue line, and the puck stuck at the center ice, and there was nobody there to play it. We had a bit of a broken hit there, and the players really liked that one. Max gets, Jets player gets sat down, deleted, backspaced. Is that another key? I don't know. Great play in front. Great defensive play. Puck back into the net there. Laramie behind the net. Heidi's got the puck, looking for someone to play with. Heidi takes one in the back. And Douse. Yes. Unfortunately, the Jets player, I think, was trying to make a good play. Definitely feeling some frustration. But that's not how we play hockey here, and he's going to be off in the bench. He's going to call it a boarding call. Is that a 2-minute? 2 minutes. A 2-minute boarding call against the Jets here, and the Blizzard are going to go on the power play. 13:42. Oh, just missed it. Missed the pass there at the line. Kasdorf. Great defensive play to come back there, and the Jets players are looking to get this puck. Kasdorf picks it up, plays it behind the net. The Jets players back off. Pass up to Laramie. He's got some room. Some speed. Chabot's at the line. He's got Heidi with him. Heidi's got this puck. Tries to get it across to the D-man. Kept in by Kasdorf. Back into the corner for Laramie. Behind the net there for Chabot. Chabot couldn't quite handle it. Fraze launching in. Oh, that's just out of the line. Puck shot deep. Whew. Thiessen came in for that puck and just about got rocked, and I have to talk to him about that one because I really want him doing the rocking. Shep looking to lay the heat on Wolf. Not enough this time. Niverville is getting a little chippy. Fraze at the line. Oh, great chip for Stott right in front of the net. It's a great play. Couldn't quite get that up, but excellent positioning. Back to Fraze at the line. Fraze plays it over to Misselbacher. Misselbacher to Stott at the back. Wolf behind the net. Wolf to Thiessen. Thiessen, great shot, just wide. And that was a pretty good section of the power play. It's a minute 30 gone in that power play. 33 seconds left in the penalty to the Jets. 30 seconds left in the power play for the Blizzard. The Blizzard taking a commanding 5-0 lead in this third period. 12 minutes left in the third. Misselbacher taking the draw. Wolf trying to come up with this puck. The Jets are going to put that one in deep. Zuev cycling back to pick up the puck. Zuev plays it around. Stott's not able to get to the line. Put back in. 20 seconds left in the penalty. Kasdorf plays it around behind his own net. Back to Zuev. Zuev just dodges a hit. Just about took it in the numbers there too. That would have been a bad hit. Stott carrying this one. Stott looking to get it deep. Picks the pocket. And he's all alone. Great shot. Not able to get the back of the net.
Who was our fifth goal scorer?
The fifth there was, I said it.
It was Dylan.
It was Mackenzie. Mackenzie's goal, yes.
Mackenzie in the face-off circle right now.
Mackenzie pressuring. Heidi circling around. Zielinski at the line. Jets up to the line. Into the mid zone. Up on the wing. Jets player trying to get around the defender. Not able to do so. Still battling in front. Puck is loose. Jets are slapping away. King's watching that one. Great battle behind the net there. Heidi unfortunately plays it to the defender. Puck bounced behind the net. It's on the net. Played around back behind the net. Heidi's still there in the Blizzard zone. Zielinski to Heidi. Heidi with two Jets players on the wall. The Jets come up with this one. Jets are going to cycle. He's looking for someone to pass to. Plays it back into the Blizzard corner. Zielinski pursuing. Lost a man. puck is loose. No one seemed to know where that was for a bit there. And they get it out. I'm going to mark these goals here. I think that was, who scored number 4? Stott number 4. Oops. And then number 5 was Mackenzie. Excellent. Great. Sorry. All right. I was distracted there. I'm back. Jets make a quick change. Blizzard changing as well. Puck brought into the end. Being watched by Zuev. Zuev with a nice poke check. And we got lots of room. That was unfortunately crazy offside. Wolf and Chabot were in great position to run away with that. Laramie didn't see them in time and wasn't able to make the pass. Quick poke check there by Chabot. Puck mishandled there. Zuev looking to recover. Oh! And Zuev and Hamilton just, I don't know, looking to do some high fives, patty cake. A little bit of pushing and shoving behind the play. It's good. It's good to see some passion out of these players. 9:29 left in the third period. 5-0 for the Blizzard. Still face-off lost there. Quick shot in and glove down by King. Oh, 1 hour ago. This is the old one. Where's the new one? There it is. Doesn't put them in order sometimes. Face off again in the Blizzard zone. Misselbacher. Wolf blitzes in. Picks the puck, quick shot. Glove save by King. We'll have another face off. Another face off in the Blizzard zone here. Misselbacher battling at the face off circle there. Wolf's got this. Plays up to Misselbacher. Misselbacher chips it. Showing to get a little deeper. Guy's a little tied up. Misselbacher's lost his stick. Puck to Kasdorf at the blue line. Gets it. Oh, wasn't able to get that deep to Heidi. That would have been great long lead pass up for the Jets player. And that'll be icing. But both defenders were there too. Some great speed there from Kasdorf and Zielinski. Not giving this team any space. Sometimes when a team gets this far ahead, they start to sit back a bit, but I'm not seeing that out of the Blizzard.
No quick in Team White.
Wolf on the wall again. Man, has he been a force this game. Puck coming around. Bradley looking to make the hit here. Bradley comes with the puck. Wolf's got it. He's turning. He's got Mackenzie with him. Lost the puck. Thiessen not able to keep this one in. Thiessen gets rocked. He's got to expect those hits. He's fine. Picked up by Mackenzie in the middle. Yeah, Hamilton's getting aggressive. Oh, Thiessen went in for that one. Yeah. He was ready for that hit. Another big hit there on Fraze. That's a big kid. Thiessen playing behind the net. Missed that hit there. The Jets looking for the quick puck. Bounced off of Heidi's skates. Kicked in by... And Mackenzie's got some room. One-on-one. Quick snapshot off the block, off the pads of the Jets defense and into the netting. Yes.
That's British for go, Ben, go.
Yes. Gonna get a hoya. I don't know what he's saying. He didn't like something about that face-off positioning. You know, every now and then the linesmen, they got to make a call like that. That's how you earn your money.
That's correct.
They don't pay you to not make calls. Like a good politician, right? We need more laws. Bring on the laws. What have you done for me lately? You better ban something. Or shot deflected wide of King. That one was a real bouncing puck. Oh, a bit of a snowstorm in front of the Blizzard box there. This puck comes out. Laramie's trying to pursue it. Shot back in. That looked kind of offside. Zuev up to Laramie. Laramie bouncing puck. Plays it up to Chabot. Chabot's got Heidi with him. Oh, little move there. Heidi was a little deep, couldn't get the puck. Great behind the back play. Move at the blue line from the Jets player. He's looking for some room. Chabot lays the hit. Stott picks up the puck, gets it to Chabot. Chabot and Douse there. That could have been too many men. He played the puck before the player was in the bench. We're getting away with some stuff. 6:35 to go in the third period. It is 5-0. Stott gets stopped at the blue line, puts it in deep. Misselbacher pursuing, puck across. The Jets coming up 3-man strong, chipped back by Zielinski. Misselbacher's back in behind. He's got Stott wide. Stott's with the puck. Probably chipped this deep. Yep. Hamilton really looking for the hits. Really looking for the hits. Trying to make a statement late in the game. The statement is, hitting's fun and I like to lose. No, I'm not sure what the statement is. Fraze at the line. Nice pass to Zielinski. Zielinski's got a shot here.
Big block by
Block.
Hamilton.
Kept in by Zielinski. Great move by Wolf. Just wide. This puck is around, and that's going to be no icing. Okay, Zuev picks up the puck, plays it behind the net to Zielinski. Zielinski's got to skate to get there. Played across to Misselbacher. Misselbacher throws it away. Oh, no, Mr. Stott gets lucky there. That could have been a bad one. Misselbacher stands up.
Pretty much deleted number 7.
Deleted. I love it. Love it. There's no reboot for this guy. Send him home. Here's some moves. Shut down. Nice pickup by Thiessen there. Puck played up from the Blizzard zone. McKenzie in pursuit. Passed up. Missed by all the Jets players. Back to Thiessen. Thiessen to Laramie. Just wide of Laramie, unfortunately. Blizzard weirdly deep. And they're offside. Offside. Thiessen really wanted that puck. It's unfortunate. He's like, why is nobody going? It was all him. And then he realized it was offside. Oh, he's looking for the hit there. Yeah. Puck played up into the Jet zone. Two Blizzard players there. They're looking for the cross-ice pass. Puck shot across the Blizzard net. Brought back up here, and here come the Blizzard. McKenzie and Wolf. Bradley in behind him. Snapshot wide. Gloved in. Wolf was right there for that puck. 4 minutes. 4 minutes remaining in the third period. It is 5-0 Blizzard. I think it's about time. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Hey, goodbye.
Maybe too early.
I don't think so. I think it's safe. Safe to call it. Chabot, quick move in front. Great effort by Chabot. Pull this across, get his own rebound, and buries it in the back of the net. Still think it's too soon, Zielinski?
Be time for the Bruce. There it is, chance maybe.
Oh, I love it. Great goal there from McKenzie. No, sorry, Chabot. Chabot. McKenzie got the other one. I believe, is that Chabot's second?
No, we have all different goal scorers. tonight.
Lucas Chabot, Wolf, Misselbacher, McKenzie. Fantastic. Here come the Jets, though. They're not giving up. They're not done yet. I mean, they are done, but they're not done.
They haven't
Big lead pass to Heidi. Heidi's in deep. Sorry, not Heidi. That was Wolf. Heidi was there for the rebound. Wolf looking for the second goal of the night. Puck across the Wolf. Nice lead pass there, looking for Chabot on the side of the net.
Oh, here comes Hamilton.
You got to watch out for that guy.
He got rid of it quick with Hamilton coming down.
Yeah, he wants to hit, that guy, and he can hit. Heidi, some good effort, plays it deep. Blizzard to look for a quick change here. 3 minutes to go in the third period. 6-0 for the Blizzard. Laramie giving them some trouble down under. That doesn't rhyme.
No.
Stott, great effort on the board. Just wipes number 5 off the face of the earth. Comes up with the puck. Back to the line there. Thiessen chips at it. Shuts down the rush there by the Jets, and they're back into their own end to regroup. Stott watching them. Puck up to Jets. Misselbacher's got this one, and they're in. The Blizzard are Misselbacher with the attempted toe drag. Just missed. Laramie picks up the puck on the side. Still in the zone. Here they come. Chip puck. Fraze plays this up to Stott. Couldn't get there. This is a no icing call. 2 minutes to go in the third period. Stott's going to pursue him behind the net. Puck's lost. Stott's got it in front. Could not get a shot off. Bradley's got this puck. Puts it back in front again. Loose puck. Backhanded. Still there. Stott's whacking at it. Hit from behind. Where's the call? Unbelievable. Stott got rocked from behind. Misselbacher off the post. Terrible call. Stott gets nailed from behind. I can't even.
The rest didn't see it right in front of the net.
I don't understand. That was right where the play is.
16 was throwing his shoulder on Stott. One of the blocks.
Well, there's going to be a late penalty here, so he's going to call it roughing. So the Jets are going to get a roughing penalty. Stott got nailed from behind in front of the net.
Blizzard are a man short here.
Just terrible. Yeah.
Oh, they're not. Okay.
Stott's going to take a break there. We've got 1:25 left. This game is as good as done. The Blizzard are going to be on a power play for the remainder of this game. But there's nothing like a nail in the coffin to say, yeah, we can. Shot right on to King. Blizzard regrouping. Puck up to Barnaby. Barnaby's on their team. Bradley's got this over to Wolf. Wolf lead shot. Glove save. 48 seconds. Oh, they're actually doing run time. Oh my goodness. Run time in AA hockey. That's embarrassing. That could happen to anybody. But we are 30 seconds left in this game. Face off in the Jets' end. The Blizzard are keeping this in deep. Another whistle. That's going to just about kill this game. We've got 16 seconds. The clock is running. The Blizzard with a 6-0 lead. 10 seconds to go. This will be the final face-off. Face-off one, just wide. Wolf is there. Puck to the line. Last shot by Zielinski. And that's the game. Great win. What a win by the Blizzard. Goals today by McKenzie, Laramie, Chabot, Wolf, Stott, and Misselbacher. What a showing all around. A lot of great saves from King. And what a fun time we've had here in Citadel.
Not to mention the huge shutout by King.
Huge shutout, yes. Big shutout. How many shots? We're getting the final tally here. Just having a hard time adding this high.
Looks like 14-9 in the third period.
14-9 in the third period for the Blizzard.
40 shots for the Blizzard.
40 shots
to 23.
to 23. Fantastic. What a game. Thanks, everyone. Have a great evening.